Hi guys, welcome to Fuerteventura. About 33 degrees air temperature right now. I'm off swimming. Sea temperature about 21 degrees, it's lovely here. It feels a bit fresh, but not too bad once you're in. Ready? Here we go. Nice and warm. Woo. Lovely. Welcome to paradise. Lovely. 21 degrees. So nice to be back swimming again after a year. Lovely. Right guys, woo. So warm. Right guys, remember to click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click that notification bell, and you will be notified every time I update new YouTube videos. I'm enjoying life in sunny Fuerteventura. 33 degrees air temperature, sea temperature, lukewarm, it's lovely. Warmer than the UK. 21 degrees. Oh. Lovely. Oh. Love it. Absolutely love it. Ah, shit. Not like there's fire.